Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll tell you how to write Devanagari properly inside Adobe Illustrator. So if you look at the second line, यहाँ सामग्री आएगी. So सामग्री is actually not supporting inside the Adobe Illustrator. So you have to follow the two steps. So if you so first of all, what you have to do, go to Edit, Preferences, and Type. All right. Inside the type, you will see the language options, right? You have two options: show East Asian options, show Indic options. All right. So if you are writing Mandarin, Japanese, Korean, then you have to select this option. If you are writing Indic options, then you have to select this. I mean, Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, and all those languages. So you have to select this one. Then hit OK. All right. Then you have to select the text box. Go to Windows. All right. Type and come to the paragraph. All right. It was already selected. So come to the paragraph, right? Then you have to select the hamburger menu. Then you have to select the second option, Middle Eastern and South Asian, every line composer. All right. So if you look at it, यहाँ सामग्री आएगी is fixed according to the Devanagari. Thank you.